Yeah.
Cheerios.
Do you want some Cheerios?
Yes.
Does Millie want Cheerios?
Yes.
Did you ask her?
Yes.
Go ask her. Let's ask Millie. Ask her. Does she want Cheerios?
Yes.
Tell her, come on.
Come on. Come on, Mommy. Up. Up. Up, up. All the way.
Do nice. Give her a kiss. Okay. Let's go get our Cheerios. You want Cheerios?
Yes.
Yes, please?
Please.
Come on.